Welcome to Momentos Pizzeria and Restaurant in Stroudsburg. Today we're gonna do one of the simple dish that, or simple fresh pasta ravioli. We call them ravioli del Plin. Come from northern Italy, which is Piedmont region in Italy. Here we have a beautiful mascarpone cheese, parmigiano, nice ricotta, mortadella. Put them in a blender, everything. Which is amazing. Parmigiano has to be nice and grated. You have to have a mortadella. Now, it's one thing about this. We're gonna blend this, and we're gonna have all together. We put a little bit olive oil. Don't ever forget about olive oil. Olive oil is very important in the kitchen, especially in a Mediterranean kitchen. Is one of the main products. Is important. A little bit salt, a touch, fresh pepper, and we put them on a blender. On a chopper, food processor. And we crack an egg or two. It depends how big they are. In this point, we put and we blend it nice. We place the filling right now in the pastry bag. The pasta, we actually make it. We make a lot of pasta because obviously we do a lot of pasta in the house. And incredibly, a lot of pasta in the house that we do here. Amongst this, we prepare the pasta in a big bowl way before. This is one of the, the dough of the pasta that we prepare at Momentos. Maybe not everybody have the machine, but also we have a small machine that is very portable, that for the house, that everybody, can do it. Now we cut this in the center. We obtain two ribbons. Pastry bag, you put them just a little bit over here, like this. And you calculate the square of this pasta. A pound to the square, you move forward. As you cut this, you grab the corner. You grab the other corner. And become ravioli del Plin. We take this pasta right now and we go and we put them to the water, and we want to see the result of this pasta. We take the pasta, put them in the water. Check the pasta how start to surface very quickly, incredibly quickly. That's the sign of the pasta itself is so light. When the pasta is so light, it's so tender. When it's tender, the flavor is there. It's not wrinkly. It's not full of humidity that stays in the bottom of water. Said, please don't cook me. Please, what you're doing to me. Please, you're torturing me. It is important to respect the product. It's important to understand the product. It's important to serve it what deserves the product. We have the pasta ready. It's amazing or what? Look at this. This is gonna be new pasta in our new menu. The simplicity and the elegance of a good product makes your life easy, makes you proud. Come to Momentos. Check our website. Explore our caterings. Call for any information. The rest is history. Thank you from Momentos Restaurants.